welcome to our lab. Today, I'll show you how artificial organs are 3D printed, from digital design to living tissue. Don't forget to subscribe. And
Every organ is built layer by line, mimicking natural cell alignment. Every artificial organ is tested for strength, cell viability, and function before it leaves. To discuss how digital models determine tissue patterns and blood vessel channels.
That's how artificial organs are 3D printed, combining science, precision, and hope for the future.